Hey, I've been giving pieces of my heart away, trying to be strong every single day, holding it together, smiling through the noise, putting everyone first, losing my own voice. I look in the mirror, barely recognize the woman staring back with tired eyes, but deep inside me something's still alive, a spark that says it's not too late this time. I don't need permission, I don't need applause, I don't need to break myself just to feel loved. I've been waiting on a sign, now I realize I can be my own rescue, I can choose my life. I'm coming back to me, one breath, one step slowly. I don't have to rush the healing, I'm exactly where I need to be. I'm learning how to stand without asking for approval. I'm not lost, I'm rebuilding, I'm still here, and that's beautiful. I've carried weight that no one ever sees, quiet strength, invisible needs. I've loved so hard, I forgot my name, put myself last, felt the silent pain. But I'm done shrinking just to fit, done begging for love. I should give myself first, I don't need to be perfect to be enough. I don't need to suffer to prove my worth. I'm allowed to rest, I'm allowed to grow, I'm allowed to say I'm added to, you know. This body, this heart, they've been through storms, still standing strong, still moving forward. I'm coming back to me, one breath, one step slowly. I don't have to rush the healing, I'm exactly where I need to be. I'm learning how to stand without asking for approval. I'm not lost, I'm rebuilding, I'm still here, and that's beautiful. I don't need to hate who I was to love who I'm becoming. Every scar, every tear led me right here, right now. I'm choosing peace over pressure, grace over guilt. This is my season to rise, to feel, to heal. I'm coming back to me with kindness, not punishment.